Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kakenhun Menteri Kabinet hagajing yalang mentakasngi kalashim ya karai ban pynkiew ya tulop syaki Nonghikai kiba hikai haki school ad hoc kibala penyai daki kenhun baper kentup kiriu shimet bat kani ka jing pynkiew tulop kan trekam nadu ka shitare kunaitung hajar puar. Nakabenta ki Nonghikai higher secondary bat science kakenhun Menteri kalarai ban pynkiew da kendai hajar kumta ki Nonghikai ki bijiyo tulop kumba saw hajar hakashi benai menta kinyo no kumba laipolai hajar hakashi benai bat kin Nonghikai secondary ki bajuyo tulop hajar menta kinyo no kumba kundai hajar bat kin Nonghikai science ki bajuyo tulop hajar menta kinyo no kumba laipolai hajar tingka hakashi benai ki weipat ki Nonghikai upper primary lower primary Nonghikai Hindi bat ki Nonghikai basau jong ki school SSA ka kenhun menteri kalarai ban pynkiew tulop dan riu hajar tingka hakashi benai ki Nonghikai upper primary ki bajuyo tulop kan riu hajar menta kinyo tulop no kumba hajar hakashi benai ki Nonghikai LP ki Nonghikai Hindi bat ki Nonghikai basau jong ka school SSA ki bajuyo tulop kan hajar tingka hakashi benai menta kinyo no kumba khat hajar hakashi benai ukon rat sangma menteri rang ba kajela haba keren hikinong tho khobor hadin balawai ke jingyalang ulayathu banakane ke jing pynkiew tulop yakin Nonghikai ka sorkar ka haban penlut pisa tam kumba shispa krur hakashisnem kumba kalong menta ka sorkar ka jumang pisa kumba spa khat krur hakashisnem nakabenta ban siu tulop yakin Nonghikai school ad hoc hanrei nang ne shikmat ka sorkar kan haban mangtengka kumba laispa krur hakashisnem la ban kenau hang ne Banakling juki Nonghikai school hapo ka syatri jong ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya FASTOM kila pelong ye jingyaki submit hakmat secretariat bandawa bade ban pynkiew tulop no Mario jingtip halor kene ka rai ban pynkiew tulop nakling jongki Nonghikai kila pelong ye jingyalang nakabenta ban yekren halor kene ka benta.
And in the cabinet meeting there were 4 agendas that were discussed. The first agenda was regarding the enhancement of salary or enhancement of grant in aid, I should say, grant in aid to the ad hoc school teachers. This was the first agenda that was discussed. As you are all aware that the ad hoc schools are privately run schools which have their own independent managing committees. And in the previous years, government of Meghalaya has been providing aid to these privately run schools run by the managing committees, and certain amount of lump sum grant is given every month to these schools. There has been a demand from the teachers who are working in these private schools run by the management committees that this grant in aid which the government of Meghalaya gives should be enhanced. As you're aware, in the year 2017, in the month of June, there was enhancement that was made at that point in time, and based on the different memorandums that have come, the education department has put up a proposal which the cabinet discussed in detail, and we have decided to enhance the grant in aid to these privately run ad hoc schools. For the different categories that are there, the higher secondary, the secondary and the science teachers, the cabinet has decided as that the enhancement will be 9,000 rupees for this category, which means the higher secondary teacher who used to get 24,000 will get 33,000 now. The secondary teachers who used to get 20,000 will get 29,000, and the science teachers who used to get 22,000 will get 31,000. The other category is the UP, the LP, and the Hindi teachers, and also the 4th teacher of the SSA. In these 4 categories, we have decided to enhance the salary by 6,000, which means the upper primary teachers who used to get 16,000 rupees will now get 22,000 rupees. The LP school teachers who used to get 12,000 will get 18,000 rupees. The Hindi teachers who used to get 12,000 will also get 18,000 rupees. And the fourth teacher for the SSA who used to also get 12,000 rupees will get 18,000 rupees now. So the total impact of this will be roughly about 100 crores annually. So from 212 crores, which is given now, in the coming years, every year the enhancement will go by, as I said, go up by about 100 crores. So roughly about 310 plus minus crores will be the impact. So there's about 100 crores impact will be there on the overall amount that the government will have to spend. So this was the first decision that was made in the cabinet.